review of the high frequency device here. I do have it hooked up right here and I'm showing you this on my skin. This does have a speed thing here on the bottom. So you turn this on and what you end up doing is holding this with your finger and putting it on your skin and moving it around. And this has a lot of benefits for the skin. I like to zap my pimples with it and I just like putting it all over my skin for like a rejuvenation, okay? This is a good device. I've had this for a while and it does come with different heads on it. You do have the comb for your hair. You do have one more like a mushroom type tip that's really gonna get into the skin, more surface area. And then you have a pinpointed, like this is for like spots and pimples. And then you have this one. This one's my favorite. I use this one like pretty much all the time because it's like in between. And then this one has the tip on the end. So if you're getting like a pimple, you just hit it with the end of the tip. So I don't use any of the other tips on this, but I use this about, I would say once every couple of weeks. If my skin's really bad, acne wise, then I use this twice a week. And I have noticed a difference in my skin using this product.